Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be an Amazon haul. As you guys know, this week is Prime Week, which there's a bunch of sales going on Amazon, and not necessarily everything that I'm showing you guys is on the sales, but you guys can check up and look up on stuff that you've been wanting and see if it went up for sale. It's not a dramatic sale. It's probably like $1 off here, 50 cents off here, but still every little bit counts, every little bit helps. So yeah, definitely go check that out. I'm also going to leave down below the link to my little crafty store, where I put up there all the stuff that I purchased from Amazon that's crafty related or craft room related that you guys are always asking me for. Definitely go check out my store, see my picks, and yeah, pick some stuff up if you want. But we're going to start off first with an enabling product, which is this one right here. Tony Craft Purge posted this a few days ago, and you guys, her little description of it just sold me as she did her sample. This, you can turn any die cut, anything into a sticker, which is amazing. It also does laminating, and it also is a magnet maker, which is awesome. And if you guys do a lot of layouts or projects with like the little phrases that you cut off your Cricut machine, you don't like that little residue that kind of like sticks around the edges and it just looks ugly. Sometimes even if you do clear glue, it has like a little shine that you don't want. This is perfect for that because it gives you the exact adhesive right behind the intricate design, and it's amazing. Definitely go check out her video so you can see the sample that she made. It's awesome, and I definitely had to pick it up. So I want to show you guys what it looks like if you didn't see her video. This is the packaging. This is the tool. It's amazing. It runs for $29, I think it is, which I think is a great purchase or a great price for what it does, you guys. I know that it seems like a lot, but it really is a good buy once you realize what it does and how much it helps in the crafting project making. So that is that. So pretty. I love the green, like the little mint green. You guys know that I love that color. So I purchased that. Let me move that over here because it's going to give me a shadow, and we don't need shadows in our video. I just got out of work, you guys, and I wanted to film this video, so we're doing it. The next thing I purchased are these stamens. Is that how it's pronounced? And these, I see a lot of people use them and make butterflies. Like they use it as the little butterflies. Let me see. How can I open this? And like I said, you guys, I'm going to have everything linked down below. Let me try to open this here. Oh, there you go. Look at this, you guys. How pretty are all those colors? And I think it's pronounced stamens. Look at that. You get a bunch and all these pretty colors. And what I've been seeing, I don't know if I have a butterfly laying around here, but what they do is they use these as like the little, I don't know, what would you say? What would you call that? The back part of the butterfly. You guys know what I mean. I just, for some reason, I don't know whose video I was watching. I think it was Alicia Love Generation. She made such a point. Whenever I'm on camera, it's like I lose every sense of learning how to speak English. Oh, no, I didn't see it. That happens to me all the time. So Alicia, I am totally with you, because when I get on camera, on film, it's just like, do you even know how to speak? But anyway, that's what this is for. I want to use it for my butterflies. And I picked this up, super affordable. I have a link down below. I don't remember how much it cost, but you get all these pretty colors, and I am obsessed and so happy I purchased it. It was super cheap, I think. Next thing I purchased was this tassel loom by We Are Memory Keepers, and I've been seeing a ton of tassels, and I figured if this could make my life easier, then I'm gonna do it, because I want to make some really big ones. I think Nifty Craft Rhoda, she posted a picture of her craft room, and you guys, I fell in love with her tassel that she has, like a banner. I need to make one. So I picked this up. This was like $10. And then I picked up this packet of glitter paper, glitter cardstock paper, and it's a 30 pack. Let's see the colors that we get here. Is it individually wrapped? Oh no, I thought it was. So we get 2 packs, and it's 30 sheets, I think 15 in each. Let me look at the color selection. So we get this one. Oh, look at this one, like a rose gold. We get some silver, this green, another, I think that's the same color like that one. So it kind of like repeats. It only has one gold, really? Oh, and I don't really like that gold. It's a little too yellow for my taste. But those are the colors. And this was super affordable too. You get like 30 sheets for, I think, $12 maybe? I think that's what it is. So I picked this up. I'll package that later. And the last thing that I picked up was this Summer Splash color block or color box paper pad. It was only $5 and it's textured cardstock. You get 3 sheets of each color. And let's do a little skimmy skim. So we got some white, we got some navy blue, we got some like turquoise blue, green. I love that green. This lime green, yellow, orange. Well, not, yeah, orange, and then like a different type of orange, a darker orange. And then kind of like that magenta pink, oops, and purple. And I think this is, I have an idea for this, but you guys will see in a future video. But yeah, you guys, those are all the things that I picked up from Amazon. I also picked up a pack of doilies, but I picked it up late, so it won't be here till Friday. I picked up 100 pack of little mini colorful doilies. They look like the Doodlebug ones, and it was only $5.99 for 100 pack. I'll have it linked down below so you guys can definitely check it out. But that's it for today's video. Sorry if I sound all over the place. I just got out of work. I wanted to film this video, and I wanted to tell you guys about my new purchases. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all the love, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye guys.